What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So a video I haven't made in a very long time on this YouTube channel is a battery drain test, and I'm going to do one today. What I got going on today, guys, I got a few devices that I got in my arsenal, along with the new kid on the block, which is the Galaxy S10 Plus. We're going to do a battery drain test with all these devices. Not only that, but I got a timer here that I'm going to time and see which one is going to clunk out first. And we're going to do this here easy style. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's do the battery drain test on all these devices. Now I'm at 100% battery life, and I have the Oneplus 6T 100% battery life. I have the Google Pixel 3 XL 100% battery life. I have the Galaxy S10 Plus, again 100% battery life. I have the Galaxy Note 9, again 100% battery life. I have the LG V40 100% battery life, and I have the Key 2 100% battery life. All right, so I got all these devices here, and again, no excuses. I got them all full brightness here. I want to show you guys real quick, full brightness on all devices. All right, so as you can see, full brightness, full brightness, full brightness here on all devices. So it's no excuses here. And the reason why I do this is because people that's new to the YouTube channel that never saw my battery drain test before always ask the questions about is it on full brightness and so forth and so on. So I am going to play YouTube videos until each device clunks out, and I'm going to play a timer. So let's go and get started. First of all, again, no apps open in the background. As you can see, I want y'all guys to see this. No apps open in the background. Boom. We got a clean slate on all devices. All right. So let's open up YouTube and let y'all guys see the test commence. All right, so at this point, we go let it rock and roll and see which device is gonna clunk out first. Let's go. All right, guys, so we coming up on 1 hour in the battery drain test. Let's go and check out the battery life on each device. All right, so we got the OnePlus 6T at 90% battery life, 90% battery life. Okay, we got the Pixel 3 XL. Let's see where we at. 86% battery life on the Google Pixel 3 XL. 1 hour in. Okay, and let's see what we got here on the Galaxy S10 Plus. 91% battery life. 91% battery life after 1 hour. Okay, and what we got here, the Galaxy Note 9 is 89%. Galaxy Note 9, this is going to be a good one. All right, we got the LG V40 at 89% battery life, 1 hour in, and we got we got the BlackBerry Key 2, 1 hour in, right? 89% battery life. All right, so we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going. All right, so as we end the first hour here with the timer, I had to actually download another quick timer here because the old timer wasn't giving me past 1 hour. So right now we are past the 1 hour timer. So what we're going to do in this video, we're just going to add 1 hour to each hour in this clock here that I'm doing, because I had to download another timer here, but here it's still the same. So we may be plus or minus 30 seconds or so, but overall it shouldn't affect anything. But once we get to 1 hour on this clock, it's going to be 2 hours. This, so you know, I had to download another clock. All right, guys, so right now we at 6 hours and 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the devices. Let's see where we at as we get close. OnePlus 6T is 30% battery life at 6 hours 30 minutes. Okay, let's look at the Google Pixel 3. 12% battery life. 12% battery life on the Google Pixel 3. Okay. Let's look at the Galaxy S10 Plus. 47%. Oh my God, this is like great that we're 47% right now. All right, so let's go and look at this device. 25% on the Galaxy Note 9. 25%. Let's go here, and we're looking at the LG V40. 32% LG V40. Okay. And the BlackBerry Key 2. See here, 6%. So it looked like the Key 2 looked like it's maybe first to die in this test. Okay, so here we go. The BlackBerry Key 2 just clunked out at 6 hours and 45 minutes. Let me document this. So we're gonna be 6 hours and 45 minutes. The BlackBerry Key 2 clunked out at 6 hours 45 minutes. All right, so the Google Pixel 3 just shut down at 7 hours and 20 minutes. So what I'm doing right here is I'm writing everything down. So 7 hours 20 minutes, the Google Pixel 3 just shut down. Okay, so where we at? 8 hours 33 minutes, the Galaxy Note 9 just clunked out. Okay, so the Galaxy Note 9, wow, just clunked out. Now let me give you a disclaimer that's going on here. The LG V40 is still in the mix, but throughout the course of the night here, the LG V40 screen has been forcing dimness. All right, and I've been having to keep the screen up all the way 100% all the time. So I've seen that happen with the LG V40 throughout the course of the night, that every now and then it's forcing the screen to go dim to try to save power. It's at 3% battery life, but if it didn't constantly do that throughout the evening, throughout the night, I believe that the Galaxy Note 9 will probably beat the LG V40. But with all the features that's in the V40 to try to conserve battery life, throughout the course of the night, I had to fight to keep the screen at full brightness. So it is what it is. 3% battery life, 2% battery life on the LG V40. Okay, so the LG V40 clunked out a few minutes after the Galaxy Note 9. I checked it and it was about 3%, and all of a sudden it just went out. So we're gonna mark this one down at 8 hours 39 minutes. 8 hours 39 minutes for the LG V40. It clunked out, and once again, this is a non-scientific battery drain test. So there's no science involved. I just got YouTube videos playing, but I did notice that the V40 screen kept dimming throughout the course of the night, trying to conserve power. All right, here we go. 9 hours, 15 minutes. The OnePlus 6T just clunked out. So let me write this down. 9 hours and 15 minutes. The OnePlus 6T have clunked out and it's done. Wow, listen, man, this is a non-scientific battery drain, guys. And the OnePlus 6T was home 1% for like 10 minutes. This is a horse. This is a beast when it comes down to battery life. Now let's go and do a recap. Okay, let's do a recap here. Okay, and let's go on and check out the battery life here. 24% battery life left on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Wow. All right, so that is a monster of a battery life. So your winner of the battery drain test is the Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh my God. Listen, I've been up all night, guys, and the Galaxy S10 Plus have shocked me, and I've been making a couple of videos about it, and it's been a very good device. And definitely, if you come in from a Galaxy S9 Plus, if you're coming from a Galaxy S9 Plus, the Galaxy S10 will definitely be a great upgrade from the Galaxy S9 Plus when it comes out to battery life. Now, I want to give a shout out to the HTC U12 Plus that been holding me down all night. As I've been playing games and texting and emailing and stuff all night doing this battery test. All right, this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the battery drain test in all its glory. Oh, I'm so glad it's over. See you guys on the next video. Woo, peace.